There is something immensely powerful about a man who fully understands himself and chooses to embrace it, without apologies, comparisons, or seeking validation. In a society that often promotes the notion that bigger is better, Dorian McDon stands proudly in his authentic self, reminding us that genuine happiness stems from self-acceptance rather than following fads. His presence is refreshing because it is genuine. The Italian flag behind him suggests deep Mediterranean roots, effortless style, timeless appeal, and a confidence that doesn't require fabrication. It's a pride that arises from being at ease in one's own skin and recognizing that you don't need to change to earn respect. What makes Dorian truly motivating is his perspective. He doesn't define success by extreme size or unrealistic ideals. Instead, he values balance. He recognizes that fitness isn't about becoming enormous, it's about being healthy, feeling good, and navigating life with confidence. His physique is a testament to care, discipline, and self-love, rather than pressure or insecurity.